Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying eligibility. Log into your Riot account and check region transfer availability under Account Settings. Once done, make sure your account has no active suspensions and attach a working payment method because transfers are billed. If the destination region isn't listed, prepare to create a new regional account instead. Begin the transfer process immediately from the client or the Riot account portal. This first action kicks off the required validation and payment steps, so don't delay. You will now perform the core steps. In Account Settings, choose the Region Transfer option, then pick the exact destination server. Once selected, carefully review restrictions like loss of some friends lists, ranked resets, and different storefront currencies. These are why you must confirm choices. After reviewing, authorize the payment and accept terms. You'll receive a confirmation. Keep the transaction ID. The transfer proceeds on Riot's side and may take minutes to hours depending on server processing. Finish by launching the League client in the new region and logging in to verify your profile, unlocks, and purchase history. If you see inconsistencies, wait a short while. Server sync can take time. If problems persist, clear the client cache, patch, or reinstall the client to ensure correct region files. If that still doesn't resolve it, contact Riot support with your transaction ID and exact error messages. They can reverse or rerun the transfer and explain any region-specific account requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.